Okay, I wanted to show something on video that was really neat. Okay, see these lines right here? You probably easily overlook when it goes into that hole. And those lines, and the one that goes all the way down there. But if you take a closer look, what do you see? Little guy following it. They're little ants. These ants have walked this so many times. See them? That they have made big lines here. Look at that. The cool part is, while I was looking at that, I found a possible footprint right there. And a footprint right here. This one you can see really well. And there's another one somewhere. Oh, that one there. Oh, right here. Right there, and maybe a partial. So I just thought that was really neat.